Thailand is home to some of the most breathtaking islands in the world, scattered across two main regions, the Andaman Sea on the west coast and the Gulf of Thailand on the east. Understanding their geography is key to planning a smooth journey, as the islands are spread out and require different transportation methods to reach them. Starting in the Andaman Sea, one of the most iconic destinations is Koh Phi Phi, located between Phuket and Krabi. This group of islands, famous for its turquoise waters and towering limestone cliffs, is accessible only by ferry or speedboat. Most travelers fly into Phuket International Airport, HKT, or Krabi International Airport, KBV, before taking a 2-hour ferry or a 1-hour speedboat ride to the islands. With no roads or cars, the island is small enough to be explored entirely on foot or by boat. Further south in the Andaman Sea, close to the Malaysian border, lies Koh Lipe, often referred to as the Maldives of Thailand due to its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. Unlike Koh Phi Phi, which is near major tourist hubs, Koh Lipe is more remote. The nearest airport is Hat Yai International Airport, HDY, from where travelers must take a minivan, 2 hours, to Pakbara Pier, followed by a ferry or speedboat, 1.52 hours. Alternatively, during high season, a direct ferry from Langkawi, Malaysia takes just 90 minutes, making it an interesting cross-border island escape. Further north, Koh Lanta is another peaceful island, located closer to Krabi and accessible by ferry or a road-connected minivan service via a small bridge from the mainland. With its long beaches, national parks, and relaxed vibe, it attracts travelers looking for a quiet escape. The best way to get there is to fly into Krabi and take a 1.5-hour ferry or a direct minivan transfer, 2 hours from the airport. Another highlight of the Andaman Sea is Railay Beach, a unique destination that, although not an island, is only accessible by boat due to the dramatic limestone cliffs that isolate it from the mainland. Located just off Krabi, it takes a 15-20-minute long-tail boat ride from Ao Nang Beach or Krabi Town to reach this climber's paradise. On the east side of Thailand, in the Gulf of Thailand, the largest and most developed island is Koh Samui, a tropical paradise that stands out for its accessibility. Unlike most islands, it has its own international airport, USM, with direct flights from Bangkok, Phuket, and even some international cities like Singapore. For those traveling on a budget, another option is to fly to Surat Thani Airport, URT, and take a ferry, 1.5 hours, from Donsak Pier to Koh Samui. Just 30 minutes away by ferry from Koh Samui, Koh Phangan is famous for its full moon party, but it also offers hidden beaches and wellness retreats. The only way to get there is via ferry, either from Koh Samui, 30 minutes, or Surat Thani, 2.5 hours. Further north, Koh Tao, the diving capital of Thailand, is another must-visit in the Gulf of Thailand. The easiest way to reach it is by taking a 2-hour ferry from Koh Samui, or 1.5 hours from Koh Phangan. Since there is no airport, all access to Koh Tao is by boat, making it a little harder to reach, but well worth the effort for those looking to explore its underwater wonders. Heading back toward the mainland, in the eastern Gulf of Thailand, Koh Chang, Thailand's second largest island, offers a completely different experience with its lush rainforests, waterfalls, and adventure sports. Located near the border with Cambodia, Koh Chang is best accessed via Trat Airport, TDX, followed by a 45-minute ferry ride from Ao Thamachat Pier. There are also buses from Bangkok that take 5 to 6 hours, making it a more off-the-beaten-path destination. For those flying into Bangkok and wanting to explore islands with minimal travel time, Pattaya is the easiest beach destination to reach. Just 2 hours from Bangkok by car, this city offers quick access to nearby islands like Koh Larn, which can be reached in 45 minutes by ferry or 15 minutes by speedboat from Pattaya's Bali High Pier. In terms of best travel routes, if someone is planning a long island hopping trip, the most logical path would be start in Bangkok and fly to either Phuket for the Andaman Sea or Koh Samui for the Gulf of Thailand. Explore Koh Phi Phi, Koh Lanta, and Railay Beach if heading west, or Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, and Koh Tao if heading east. For a more remote experience, head south to Koh Lipe or east to Koh Chang for a jungle meets beach adventure. Thailand's islands vary significantly in their levels of development and accessibility. While Koh Samui, Phuket, and Pattaya are easy to reach with airports and well-connected transport, Koh Lipe, Koh Tao, and Koh Chang require multiple connections but offer a more secluded paradise. Most islands are connected by a well-organized ferry network, though travel times can vary, so planning ahead is essential. With a better understanding of the geography and transport options, it becomes much easier to choose the best island for your perfect Thai adventure, ensuring an unforgettable experience in this tropical paradise. To visit Thailand, visa requirements depend on nationality and length of stay. Many countries qualify for a visa exemption, allowing stays of up to 30 days when entering by air and 15 days by land. For longer stays, travelers can apply for a tourist visa, TR, granting up to 60 days with an option to extend for 30 more days at a local immigration office. For those planning multiple visits, the Multiple Entry Tourist Visa, METV, is valid for 6 months. Other visa options include the Education Visa, ED visa for students, the Retirement Visa, Non-Immigrant OA for long-term stays, and the Thailand Elite Visa, which offers residency for 5 to 20 years with exclusive benefits. In our next video, we'll explore these visa types in detail, including extensions, application processes, and the best options for different types of travelers. Navigating Thai visa options can be overwhelming, but choosing the right one ensures a smooth and enjoyable stay. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the application process, visa extensions, border runs, and tips for hassle-free approval. Stay tuned. In our next video, we'll explore these visa types in detail, including extensions, application processes, and the best options for different types of travelers. Navigating Thai visa options can be overwhelming, but choosing the right one ensures a smooth and enjoyable stay. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the application process, visa extensions, border runs, and tips for hassle-free approval. Stay tuned! We'll also look at the best schools to learn the Thai language, which can help you reside in Thailand with the appropriate visa. Our focus will be on top institutions in Bangkok and Pattaya, where you can study Thai and secure an education visa, ED visa, for long-term stays. Don't miss it!